can a really round rabbit named and a cheerful chick called have so many outrageous adventures around the world? Let them explain. Or maybe you'll just have to watch Malang on Family Junior. Over the years, we've shared countless memories together. We've been on some pretty big adventures. Whoa! And had many laughs along the way, letting our imagination soar as high as the sky. But now, it's time to say goodbye. From all your friends here at Family Junior, thanks for watching. And always let your imagination soar.
Due to the negligence and selflessness to our viewers, Family Junior is forced to cease broadcasting your favorite programming as of October 23rd, 2025 at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have brought you quality programming for both families and children alike since 2007 and plan to expand our network in the coming decade. Because of this closure, it will not be happening. We at Wild Brain and Family Junior has expected better from our viewers and they have failed us. This your fault. Thanks for nothing.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
Civil authorities in your area has issued an emergency alert message for all of Canada. Turn off your TV right now. Family Junior has ceased broadcasting as of 6:00 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This is the Canada Emergency Operations Center with the emergency message. Family Junior has ceased broadcasting as of October 23, 2025 at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please turn off your TV right now. I repeat, Family Junior has ceased broadcasting as of October 23, 2025 at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please turn off your TV right now. Command post out.
If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator. If you'd like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you need help, hang up and then dial your operator.
This is an emergency alert message. Follow the messages on screen as more will be updated as soon as possible for more information.
Turn off your TV right now. Family Junior has ceased broadcasting as of October 23rd, 2025 at 6 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time.
This emergency message from the Emergency Alert Channel. Please stay tuned for the following.
This is a emergency alert message. The dead bodies from the TV show characters from the TV channel Family Junior are moving in the black garbage bags, trying to rip their way out of the bags. Take precautions and stay away from the black garbage bags.
This is not a test. This is not a test. This is not a test. The following is a statewide emergency. Turn off your TV right now. Family Junior has ceased broadcasting as of October 23, 2025 at 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Goodbye forever.
Your attention, please. This is the Alberta Emergency Public Warning System. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
This has now been upgraded to a shelter-in-place emergency. The characters from the Family Junior have now ripped out of the black garbage bags and they are now attacking the living. These characters are identified as Beep and Mort, Ma from Rave Bunnies, K-Lau, Cheer Bear from Care Bears and Lot the Magic, Chip the Pug from Chip and Potato, Daniel Tiger from Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, Dog from A Dog Who Loves Stories, Dougie from Hey Dougie, Justin and Squidgy from Just in Time, Kate and Min Mim, Kiwi and Strit, Lucas the Spider, Mac the Moose and Moxie the Raccoon from Mac and Moxie, Mighty Mike, Mollum the Rabbit, the Petronix Defenders, Polly Pocket, Space Ranger Roger, the Storybots, Strawberry, Shortcake, the Sunny Bunnies, Tinky Winky, Dipsy, Lala and Po from the Teletubbies, Tiny Chef, the Twirly-Woos, Wabiloo and Wolfie. Lock all entrances to your home and lock all windows and doors and cover up blinds and curtains and keep all pets and children inside. These bodies are considered extremely fatal and dangerous. Do not approach or apprehend these bodies. These bodies have brains, eyeballs out of the socket, and intestines hanging out, and the bodies smell very pungent. Follow the messages on screen. For more information will be updated as soon as possible.
Go to bed now. Turn off all the lights and lock all windows and doors.